Welcome. Today I'll be showing the way you can improve your network investigations and incident response time and accuracy by leveraging the integration and workflow between Endace Network History and our fusion technology partner, Fortinet. Endace probes are able to capture at line rate 100% of the network traffic, giving my analysts time and absolute network forensics to everything happening on my network. Endace's high-speed search capabilities, along with simple workflow integrations from many tools in my environment, allows my analysts to get to relevant critical network traffic happening before, during, and after events they're actively investigating. For this demo, I have several large Fortinet, FortiGate 7000 series and 4000 series next-gen firewalls running at my perimeters and in front of key data centers. I have FortiSIEM running as my SOC SIEM, getting alarms and logs from my next-gen firewalls and other systems. I am capturing all my network traffic on my Endace probes, and in parallel, I have additionally deployed FortiGate VM instances to run on my Endace probes for additional traffic inspection for anomalous behavior and threat signatures internal to my network. The use case we're solving is that we're seeing Trojan malware that has triggered some command and control activity on the network against some of my IoT devices on a specific subnet. Admins are no longer able to log into affected devices, as the threat has managed to change the administrative password on those devices. Faced with the daunting physical visit to every single device to manually factory reset, SecOps has turned to the packet history to see if it can help solve the problem. I begin in FortiSIEM, managing all of my security log data and alerts. In my highest level dashboards, I can see my event rates, key reporting devices, performance events by type, and external threat events by type. Drilling into my incidents dashboards, I get incidents by category, top impacted hosts, and top incidents, showing all the infected hosts under those incidents. I want to get into more detail, so I drill down to the Incident Explorer. In the Incident Explorer, I'm looking at reconnaissance type events that are scanning and impacting my IoT devices. I zero in on HTTP TCP host scan that has been flagged on the IP address 10.16.13.188, which seems to be the source of the host scan across my IoT subnet. I see this IP address communicating HTTP traffic to a range of IPs that are many of my medical equipment. I run an action to remediate incidents as I want to pivot to Endace to see the packet level details of these HTTP exchanges with my IoT devices. Using the Pivot to Endace Vision integration and remediation script, I can do a search across my EndaceProbe estate to look for all traffic tied to this source scanning IP address. In Endace Vision, I see the traffic breakdowns with the HTTP and CIFS traffic, as well as conversations by IP address, again confirming the same HTTP traffic to numerous IoT system IPs. I can zoom in on the traffic view to focus even further on getting to the most relevant PCAP data. Endace Vision provides a number of filtering options to drill by protocol directional flow, VLANs, or even MAC address, just to name a few. But for this, I have a clear view that this originating host had similar HTTP traffic to many of my IoT endpoints, so I need to see what transacted. I open up this PCAP in Wireshark directly on my Endace probe, so no traffic has to be moved around my network. Drilling into the packet level data and filtering on HTTP post traffic, I see the exchanges from this source IP to many IoT devices, where I see in the HTTP protocol form fields the threat actor is logging into each device with our valid admin user and password, and they are resetting the device password in the form to I have you now. We now have concrete, actionable information that allows us to quickly script and regain control of all of our compromised IoT devices. Since the command and control driven password reset occurred before we were even aware of an issue, obtaining this information would have been impossible if not for the always-on packet capture as provided by the Endace probes. An investment in packet history and the integration with Fortinet has clearly paid off here, saving a huge amount of labor that would have been required for factory resets. With the formed data, we were able to rapidly regain control of our devices back from the threat actors. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, and thank you for watching.